Alright, so here we are working on the pop-up. Ooh, this is kind of close in. On the back are these, the front has it too, are these little covers. So we took the covers off and I have cleaned off a bunch of this and found our problem spots. So we're gonna have to patch this up here. But good news is we got one of the panels cut for inside, and I'm really liking the wood versus the old metal. So I think we're gonna go with the nice wood, and then we'll just finish out some of the edges to where it's nicer. It's obviously just a rough cut, and then yeah, go from there. So this you can see from the inside too. Right here, it goes all the way through. Hole in the ceiling. We'll fix that. But new problem. Okay, more rust in the corners here. And then this has been rusted all along the top in the typical space. That's where the wire harness is kept. But I'll clean that up too. Then the other rust spots in the floor. Typical. Around the dog house, that's a standard spot that rusts on these also. And then over in this corner we have some rust. We'll be cleaning that up.